CCTV camera don't capture moment where one mumu, I don't even want to call her man because that one don't deserve that title. If you not see wetin this man go display, hi, I bet me person just give me knife because I want to commit murder. This man enter supermarket. This thing happen for Imo State, Origi Road. He enter supermarket and normal protocol. Now you understand, you they run supermarket. Person enter normal level. Person will get sense. You go meet person say how far wetin you want buy. Now the thing with this woman do. The woman come ask the guy say bros wetin you dey buy. Now so if you not see aggression, ordinary what are you buying? The man want swallow the whole supermarket. Only with the action, you know, say this one ready to even keep person. Now, so the woman come the thing and say, I beg, no come cause nuisance for this place. So say, I don't like trouble. This man carries a chair, he want hit her. Before you know, and I slap, I just see. He slap her, see, and I don't even believe. This woman are like 50 something or 60 something. Now, 1 year. I beg, make her no waste on her time, save. I won't make her see with her own eye. Join me, make we watch the video.
So what happened in that video was that this man walked into the supermarket and was looking for things, and normal protocol, my aunt approached him to, you know, ask him of how she could be of assistance, or like what is he looking for, so that she could assist him. So all of a sudden the man started exchanging words with her and all that. Now my aunt, she had to tell him to okay, she should leave the supermarket and not to cause any nuisance in the supermarket. Now the man took offense with it and raised the plastic seats to hit my aunt, a woman that is in her late 50s or early 60s.
I beg, I won't make una listen very well. Not be everybody wanna they see for road na human being. No. Some women they give birth to animals. They say now human being they born. No, this one I just watch now person. Una think say na person just no. I just they ask. No matter the level of anger, wetin go make you raise your hand for person wey fit born you. And funny enough, when I see people like this, they vex me. You know why? If they bring in fellow man, you know go fit stand. Some men, the power where they get now only on top woman. Now only on top when you know they pass that one. Check yourself for a house. It is very obvious. This one go they beat a woman. He go they beat a woman. In fact, even they give her 3 square meal for beating. Morning, you get time where you go collect beating for morning. You get time where you go collect beating for afternoon. You get time where you go collect beating for night. I beg, if you know say, as you watch this video, you know this guy, you see him very well, you know where they stay. You, in fact, you even get a phone number. I beg, let me know. See, and I beg, I won't go give a visit. This one with my boys. We go give a surprise visit. This kind of person, you know they live like that. Because he needs to learn, how did they treat women? He needs to learn. No? Now, why sometimes I wonder some kind things. I'm not just don't understand. Something will happen today. Okay, maybe now because I'm a matured woman. Because if not me, you see that supermarket, you go turn to dust. Because all the breakables where they did, my brother, you go collect. You see collection, you go collect. And now my problem now, even that one way go separate them, that one way go do like say they go carry the man go outside. You know if you give her like 6 slaps, may brain correct, may I bet no mind me now like this. If I don't invest, you understand now like this, my body today hot. I know they like see these kind of things. I know they like her. Your mama age mates. They for even lock that supermarket safe. Lock them, call area boys or call police. Sorry, police not even they work for Nigeria again. Nigeria. If all the police people, in fact they are even as good as nothing. I know they see police if they talk about Nigeria this thing. I bet make una learn to take una time. Make una learn to take una time. And why I bring this thing out now because I beg because mothers. already mothers and potential mothers and the ones wey never even start dey menstruate, because no look me like that. Make una take una time train una children well, because una dey cause problem for this society. Una no go train una pikin well, then they go come start dey cause problem everywhere. See this one, you get mama like this, I no go even dey surprised say you even dey beat your mama join. Many people, they no go make heaven for this life wey we come. And some of them sef, if they even enter gate, they go dey back seat like this one no go make am at all. So abeg my people, na why I bring this matter outside. If you know this guy, abeg make una do something about her. Maybe e dey your vicinity, o maybe you know her. Anyhow, e needs to be dealt with. This guy must not go unpunished. Una abeg try, if they remember the slap the way they remember am, you go dey gingered, you understand, and mix with garlic, you go dey in the mood to deal with this guy. Very very important. Just see am like say na your mama dey do this thing too. Abeg, anybody wey get information, drop am there. You need to locate this guy and we need punish am very very serious. You don't need to be a human being, especially somebody who elderly to born you. You understand? So abeg share this video, tell a friend to tell a friend. We dey find this guy now, very very important. And if you never subscribe, wetin you dey wait for? Just click on that thing, very very important. And drop your comment, anything wey you guys to talk concerning this matter. And as usual, I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.